I'm Armando Ancheta Jr. Uh, Back then, when I was in high school, yeah, someone shared to me that was, I think I'm in third year of high school. So someone shared to me about the gospel. Yeah. So, but before that, I always go to church. Yeah, no, my mom, when we were a child, my mom always accompanied us uh, to the church. But and as years goes by, I learned about Christ, the gospel, but I really grasp, the meaning of the gospel. But back then, when someone approached me and shared the gospel, right and then I repented for my sins and uh, trusted completely, at the finished work of Christ on the cross. So before we went here, we planned, we find a church that we could uh, go. We uh, go to the Southern Baptist, the SBC website, and find a church near at my sister's house. Yeah, that's when we saw this church
Okay.
on that website, and then I I read the mission statement, and so what is the what's that their beliefs, their stance. Yeah, so I read your website before we went here.
Yeah.
I can help. Back then in the Philippines, I'm also teaching Bible studies at uh, men's. So uh, maybe I can also do that. Uh, I can assist uh, in teaching Bible studies.
Now, assuming we receive you into the membership, I'm going to stand with you in the water to baptize your sons. I want you to be able to baptize your own sons. You're okay with that, right?
Yes, that's our plan when back in the Philippines, but yeah, I didn't go through because of the pandemic.
Yeah. All right. Anything else you want to say to the church?
Uh, I am grateful, very happy that the church received us warmly, and right now I'm just so happy and glad because your church is it's like our church, a home church, yeah, a family church.
Hmm.